Most of us associate the tomato with our favorite Italian dish, but the tomato actually originated in Central and South America and only spread to Europe in the 1500s with the Spanish colonization of the Americas. While tomatoes are technically a fruit, they are treated as a vegetable by the culinary world and can be consumed raw in salads or drinks. They can also be made into sauces, soups, ketchup, or my personal favorite, salsa. Nutritionally, tomatoes are a great source of potassium, which is important for helping us maintain a good blood pressure and proper kidney function. The bright red color of tomatoes is due to lycopene, a type of antioxidant that helps keep our cells happy and healthy. In fact, the last decade has seen an explosion of research into the potential health benefits of lycopene, but the debate is still ongoing. Although Washington has a cooler climate, our farmers are able to extend their growing season with the help of greenhouses, so we can enjoy local tomatoes all year round. So the next time you're at your farmer's market, keep an eye out for cherry, Roma, heirloom, and beefsteak tomatoes, as they are all great choices to share with your family, friends, and neighbors.